Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Today you might have experienced like a very big drop in Bank Nifty, whereas Nifty dropped a little bit, and how it is going to be tomorrow, how this month is going to expire. All these things will be discussed in this short video. This video is created for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investment. So Nifty on a 5-minute chart, you can see that there was a big fall. Like you can notice, like yesterday as discussed, whenever you see somewhere closer to this 1500 to 1600 range, you have to close your CE position. So the CE was not executed, and then it was a kind of quite a good fall, and then from here that CA level got executed, but I have not considered the CA execution level. So it's a kind of sell, like or the put option, the 1400 1000 put option which I recommended. Whenever you see this level, which clearly gave a kind of a very good sign, and gave a kind of drop of almost 200 points from this level, and because of which this put option gave a kind of 161. I have not considered the low also. This low might have formed during this point, so I have not considered this low. I just considered from this point, and then it might have gave a kind of very good return. So the stop will be just like 15 rupees lower from the opening, and then it was a kind of just on the one side. And you can see on the Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty did not give any kind of very big retracement. It just gave a kind of small retracement, and then bounced dropped from the level. And you can see the exact rejection was at 22,500 mark, which was the kind of given level. So the given level was to do a reverse trading at 22,500 to 600 mark. The reverse trading worked pretty good for the day, and it gave a kind of almost 1000 points of return for the complete day. And on the P side on Bank Nifty, it gave a kind of 785 rupees, but as a personal trading, I was able to capture some 350 rupees on Bank Nifty, but I took 22,300 and 22,200 as well. So I took two different trades and able to capture 300 points in each. The first of all, 22,300 was during this fall, and then 22,200 was during this fall. So able to capture two different trades on a single day. And how it is going to be tomorrow? So Nifty, you can see the perfect rejection point, and 10,300 to 330 is a kind of a major support. So if it is above 10,350 mark, we can exercise call option for tomorrow. So that is the level for tomorrow. If it is above 10,350, you can exercise 10,300 call option above 10,350, and the target will be 10,500. 10,450 to 500, and you can do a reverse trading. And on the other side, if it is below 10,300, you can exercise 10,300 put option for a target of 10,200 to 250 marks, and you can do a reverse trade at 10,200 to 250 mark. And hope that will be clearly evidence in this one as well. Like if it goes down, like this 10,300 is having a major resistance as of now, so this will definitely push the market down for tomorrow. And this 10,200, you can see 24 lakh open interest at this point will give us support. So that is the level, and if it goes up, this 10,400 or maybe this 500 will definitely push the market down. So the tomorrow's level on Nifty will be 10,300 call option if Nifty is about 10,350, and if it is below 10,300, you can exercise 10,300 put option. Target will be 10,450 to 500 for the call option side, and 10,200 to 250 for the put option side. And Bank Nifty, we are having a kind of major resistance zone. This 22,000, it is very much below this 22,000 mark, and if it drops below this level, so if it drops below 21,400, you can exercise. If it is below 21,400, you can exercise put option for a target of 21,000 marks. And if it is about 21,500, you can exercise 21,400 call option or 500 call option for a target of 22,000. Okay, the range for tomorrow will be 400 points on the upper side and 400 points on the downside. And if you look at the option data, so if it goes above 21,500, there won't be much drop at here, and also if it goes below this 21,400, it will just drop up to this 21,000 level. And most probably like it might go little down because as I said, most of the bank stocks are at the weakest point and it has shed. Like if you see this ICICI Bank was one of the pick which I gave today. Like it just dropped from this resistance level of 375, 25 points. Amazing return on a single day, very good return. So that is how it is going to be. So let me conclude Bank Nifty for your understanding. If it is about 21,500, you can exercise call option for a target of 22,000 mark, and if it is below 21,400, you can exercise put option for a target of 21,000 mark. Stop loss will be plus or minus 100 points on the upper side and lower side. All the very best and have a profitable and wonderful expiry day tomorrow. All the very best.